Just gonna do a quick video before I close up this gap. We're waiting on the refrigerator delivery today. It's August the 12th. There's an eclipse tonight. We haven't gotten a ton done this summer, sadly, for a variety of reasons. We had some material delays and we were sluggish, I think, for some reasons. But we have painted the kitchen, done some trim work around this window, and are designing the base cabinets. And I did ultimately get the material and have worked on my wood shop and kind of taken that a half step forward as far as organization and functionality. And I will start building base cabinets here soon, in a week or two, I think. Everything kind of depends on where exactly we can place this fridge. We also had to make a decision about the sink, the kitchen sink, and where that was going to go, and the sizes of it, all of that. And it's very difficult to source these things and to get these things. They're often imported, and but yeah, we have a sink on the way, and the fridge, like I said, it's going to be delivered between 8 and 3 o'clock. And it is closer to noon now, so it should come soon. This is kind of mouse proofing that we're doing, which is tedious, but I'm shooting in these little strips of mesh around all the gaps, and hopefully that's gonna help us. See no mice. We painted this ceiling also. That was a much bigger job than we expected. We didn't just paint it, we patched it, repaired sections that were falling down. Unfortunately, these things were jointed often in the middle of the span here. And they were just kind of loosely toe-nailed together. They weren't hitting a joist above. They weren't tied into anything, so they were sagging down. It was just really awful state of repair, and we'd been living with it, forever. Had never really gotten used to it, and so, even though this is still a pretty ragged roof, it's from the 1800s, but it looks so much better now. Did a lot of sanding on it. We patched it with the sort of linseed oil window daubing and some caulk, where I had to really clean up the sort of deep gashes. But yeah, it was bad working over your head, but we're glad that's done. Anyway, I just wanted to document the mouse proofing before I put up this strip, which is going to be kind of really kind of more mouse proofing, but also a nailer for the crown molding that's going to go up. Little cavities are our enemies in this old place, so I want to plug as many of them as thoroughly as I can. All right, that's it.